Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Akshay Budilwar and you're watching Physics Corner. So in this video we are going to discuss the examples of finding conjugate of a complex analytic function. Now see the example number first. Find the imaginary part of a complex analytic function whose real part is given. So our aim is to find the imaginary part, that is v of xy. V of xy is given. Now see u of xy is given. Firstly we will write x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square plus 1. Okay, u is given, so derivative u with respect to x first. 3x square minus of 3y square plus 6x. Now with respect to y, make a derivation, minus of 3x into 2y with respect to y minus 3 into 2y. This implies minus 6xy minus 6y. Okay, now our aim is to find imaginary part. Therefore, dv equals to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. But we have given u, that's why we have to replace these two terms using a CR equation. Now what is CR equation? Dou u by dou x equals to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y equals to minus of dou v by dou x. Now see, this equation 1 becomes dv equals to, in terms of dou v by dou x, you can write minus of dou u by dou y into dx plus, in terms of dou v by dou y, you can write dou u by dou x into dy. Okay, now using this derivation you can put dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y in this equation 2. To this, no problem. Now see, dv equals to minus of dou u by dou x is nothing but this, okay, minus of 6xy minus of 6y into dx, and dou u by dou x is nothing but how many, 3x square minus of 3y square plus 6x into dy. See, this is the we will simplify this, minus 6xy outside, 6y into dx. This is as it is, 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x into dy. So this is exact differential equation, mdx plus ndy. Here take a y constant and here takes integrate only with respect to y, don't take their x. Okay, if there is a presence of x, eliminate that. Therefore taking integration on both side, integral of d is nothing but to b. Now see here, we have to integrate with respect to dx, that's why the 6y is constant, integral of x dx plus 6y is also constant, integral of dx. Now see here, x term is present, so eliminate these terms and take a minus 3 outside and make an integration of with respect to y. Therefore v equals to 6y x square by 2 plus 6y x minus 3 y cube by 3. Now see, this implies 3y x square plus 6xy minus of y cube. Now see the which option is matched. 3y x square 6xy minus y cube, 3y square 6xy minus y cube. See, only the first option is matching, that's why the option first is correct. Simple question. Now see the second question. Say find the imaginary part, the real part is given. Same procedure you have to apply. Make an integration of u with respect to x. First, what is the derivative of x? 1 plus half constant as it is. Therefore x square minus y square, in this y square is a partial one for x, therefore make a derivative of x square, that is nothing but 2x. 2 get cancelled, therefore 1 plus x remains. Make a derivative of u with respect to y, half of minus of 2y, 2 minus 2 get cancelled, minus y. Now our aim is to find imaginary part. dv equals to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. Okay. But in this equation 1, we have to replace this because we don't have a partial differentiation of v with respect to x and y. That's why using CR equation you have to replace dou u by dou x equals to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y equals to minus of dou v by dou x. So this dou v by dou x is replaced by minus of dou u by dou y, minus of dou u by dou y integration with respect to dx, and dou v by dou u replaced by dou u by dou x to dy. Now using this partial differential equation, this 2 becomes dv equals to minus of dou u by dou y यानी कि minus of y into dx plus dou v by dou x यानी कि 1 plus x into dy. Now see y into dx, rearranging this 1 plus x into dy. Now this is make a integration on both side. Integral dv is nothing but v. Now see here y is constant, integral dx. Here we don't have to take the x terms, we have to completely eliminate. Therefore integral of dy only remains. V equals to y into x plus y, and this is the answer, yx plus y. Now see the which option is matching. Y plus y, only the option D is matching. It's a simple, नहीं कुछ भी इसमें तकलीफ जैसा ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था, सिंपल जो भी दिया था उसको विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू वाई डिफरेंशिएट करना था, फिर जो भी निकालना था हमको v निकालना था इमेजिनरी पार्ट, तो उसका फार्मूला लिख लिया, फिर सीआर इक्वेशन यूज करके रीअरेंज किया, फिर क्या एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन किया. ओके, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना, एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.